Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Virgo is my channel name, and I welcome all you guys back to the channel. For the new subscribers, going ahead and just basically everyone's new to me because this is my first time vlogging and I love it. I think every subscriber, everyone that has subscribed to this channel, it's a blessing. It's a true blessing at this time in life. It's a true blessing for me to even, and I'm amazed how many subscribers I have at this point of time, because I'm putting in the energy that I didn't have, just a month ago, the energy that I didn't have 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I thank you guys so much for subscribing. I'm not going to talk you to death, but for those new that's watching, first time here, stay tuned. For those who have subscribed, I have more to come. It's going to be more face videos. I'm just trying to get myself right and my confidence back together once again, but stay tuned. I have more for you to come. I have so many videos on this lifestyle vlog. It's going to be a little bit of everywhere in the beginning, I guess, because I have so much to bring to the internet. But stay tuned. Stay tuned. And I thank you guys once again. Love you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing, following, commenting, everything. I just thank you guys. This is nothing that's made up. It's from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. I guess it's way in the back. But look at them. No, I'm not gonna get those. I'll be back. Y'all remember these back in the days? They're $2.50 each here. But those used to be good. I wanted to go ahead and get 2 of these, as you know. Buy one, get one free. So go ahead and grab those. Look at the water. Yeah, I have no idea why this part wasn't in high volume, but these are the things that I picked up from Winn-Dixie. It was 3 cans of green beans, 2 core waters, some potatoes, onions, a pack of bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and to those green beans, go ahead and saute the bacon and everything, the onions up. In that particular bowl, I have the chicken thighs that I seasoned. They were seasoned before I went to the grocery store, so I've taken them out to get them to room temperature so I can go ahead and braise them and stick them in the oven. There you see me sauteing the bacon along with the onions to place the to do the green beans that I bought into the pan, so I can go ahead and saute that, and that's the final results of the green beans. And here you see me rinsing my rice off to basically cook, and I'll continue on with the video now. There is the chicken thighs that I braise. I normally braise the chicken thighs first before I stick them in the oven because I like that tighter skin. But there's the final product right there. And yes, I have some store-bought macaroni and cheese. I bought this macaroni and cheese. It's called Reese's Main Street. Publix had it at buy one get one free, and I decided to pick it up, and that's what we have for dinner. That's gonna be my dinner for today. So stay tuned. And what I'm gonna do with everything, but as you can see, we have it all here. And don't worry about that little brown thing right there. That's seasoning. Gonna plate it up. Charles, your lunch is ready. Charles, your lunch is ready. Ain't even playing with them line.
My stomach aching a little bit.
Look at that. Look at that.